fall. Copano Bay keeps calling. Feel the freedom in it all. Soft breeze dancing through the shoreline, laughing echoes down the way. Friends and neighbors come together to celebrate the close of day. From the marshlands to the harbor lights, every pathway shines so bright. Nature, wellness, history too. Aransas County welcomes you. Hey now, paddle in the sunset skies, where the coastal spirit comes alive. Pathways in motion, hearts set free, on the waters of our community. Burning history, kayak and trails, feel the Gulf Coast breeze, fill your sails. Copano Bay, we're on our way. Together we rise with the close of day. Pelicans glide above the tide. Every ripple tells a journey. Every paddle stroke brings pride. Families, dreamers, friends united, sharing sunsets side by side. Healthy hearts and open waters, with Aransas as our guide. Under painted Texas skies, we protect what makes us thrive. Nature, culture, people too. This coastal life belongs to you. Hey, now paddle in the sunset skies, where the coastal spirit comes alive. Pathways in motion, feel the glow through the winding waterways we know. One county, countless adventures shine, where the bay and community intertwine. Copano Bay forever calls. Aransas Pathways welcomes all.